Hey guys, Sorin here. Today we're talking about how can you use your Android phone as a webcam, like a full-fledged webcam on your PC. Well, it's easier than you would think. Now, when trying to do this, we have two things to take into account. A webcam, to be a webcam, needs a video stream and an audio stream. So that means you need a microphone to be heard and some video so people can see you on Skype, on OBS if you're trying to stream, whatever. Now there are apps that do both these things. They take the audio stream and the video stream for your phone, from your phone, and output it on your PC in your app. But there are apps that don't do this, and they are useful if you ask me. I mean, take a laptop with a broken webcam, for example. The laptop probably has a microphone, and most of the times the webcam broke and the microphone is still working, so you can use that microphone. Or you have a better microphone attached to your desktop PC, but you don't have a cool webcam. I mean, the one you have maybe displays image poorly, it's crap. Or I don't know, other things like that. There are scenarios, trust me. So how can we do this? Well, the easiest step when you want to take the audio and the video from your phone, so your audio, your voice will be heard by people through the microphone on your phone, or you can attach a lav on it and it might work. You have to try this, it depends from lavalier to lavalier, from phone to phone, but on most Android phones this works. Anywho, the first app is DroidCam. It has both free and paid variants. Both are pretty fine, especially for regular Skype using and etc. The paid one, indeed, it lets you have additional features. You'll have to see for yourself. You'll have a link in the description if you really need the paid one or not. But the way to connect this app to your PC so you can actually have a webcam is like this. You install the app on your phone to Google Play, and then you install the application on Windows, Mac OS or whatever on your PC. I'm just covering the Windows part and Android here because I'm not a Mac user, but it's pretty similar. After you've done this, you need to connect the app on your PC with the phone. How can you do this? There are two ways. The first way is through the USB cable. You just plug your phone into the USB of your PC, but you have to activate Android debug mode, USB debug mode. You go to settings, about, and tap build number 7 times. After you've tapped it about 4 times, a message will already appear on your screen that you're about to activate USB debugging mode. So do that, activate it, and then it should work. I like the wireless mode better. The second way is the wireless mode. So your computer is attached to a router, by cable probably, or if it's a notebook, it's wirelessly connected to a router. The only thing you need to make sure is that your phone is attached to is connected wirelessly to the same router. Usually you already have this set up because most people have one router in their homes, and every device gets its internet from that one. So if you've already done this, after opening the app on the PC and on the phone, you just need to start. And pro tip for OBS Studio users, if you want to stream, you just add a new video or a new audio stream, and you can then arrange your phone to look like a proper webcam. It already looks like a small square, it's pretty easy to set up. And mind you, phones today look freaking amazing compared to even quite expensive webcams. And you already have the phone, and most of us have a pretty decent phone. So why not? I mean, instead of spending 20 bucks for some crappy webcam, just use your phone, it looks better. And don't worry, the microphone is probably crap too on that crappy 20 bucks webcam. Now another software to use is Iriun webcam software or something like that. You'll have the link and a picture on the screen for the Google Play and the app for the PC. This app, however, does not stream audio, so it only takes the video from your smartphone. It's useful in the sense that even the free version can output 4K from the back camera of your phone if your phone supports it. That's pretty neat. And if you have a better mic or use a lav, you might not need to take the audio from your phone. I mean, if I connect my lav mic directly to my sound card on my PC, I'd rather use that sound stream because it's much higher quality than my phone can provide. So that's pretty much how you can have your phone turned into a webcam in about 10 minutes or so tops. If you like this short but informative, I hope, tutorial, don't forget to give a like, subscribe to the channel, and tell me if you want to see other quick tutorials like this in the future, and I'll do my best to make them. Thanks for watching. Bye.